Scientific notation. Scientific notation is something that is used a lot in both science and math. Scientific notation is a way to express really big numbers or really small numbers in not so many characteristics or in a small amount of space. All right. The format of scientific notation is that we have one digit that's not 0, so anything from 1 to 9 in front of the decimal. So for example, 5.34. And then all other digits go behind the decimal, okay? So 5.34 would be my other digits. If we have zeros, so for example here 2.353000, we don't have to write those last 3 zeros. We can write that as 2.353, okay? And then we're going to take that number times 10 to a power. So times 10 to, if I move this to the second power, that means I'm taking this number and multiplying it by 10 twice. If we look on a calculator, each time you move it by 10, 5.34 times 10 once is going to be 53.4. 5.34 times 10 again is going to be 534. So each time you multiply by 10, your decimal moves one place to the right. Okay? So if we were to multiply this 5.34 times 10 3 times, that would be a decimal move of 1, 2, and then you can see we have no more digits. What we do there is we add a 0. So that's just going to be multiplying 5.34 times 10, which would be 53.4, times 10, which would be 534, times 10 again, which would be 5,340. All right, so you can see this last digit where we move the decimal here, we just added a 0. All right. We went over in class, negative exponents represent kind of dividing by 10 each time, or taking 1 over 10 to a power. Okay, so negative exponents are actually going to move your numbers, or your decimal, so that you have a really small number. If I take this 5.34 times 10 to the negative 4th power, that would mean I move my decimal 4 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means I have to add 3 zeros. So it's going to be 0.000534. All right, and you can see that's a shift of 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal moves to the left. Really small number there. Positive exponents make the number really big. So if we take the same number, 5.34 times 10 to the positive 4th, then we're going to have 5, 3, 4, 0, 0. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. I had to add on 2 zeros. For that's 53,400, a much bigger number here. All right, so that's a little bit about scientific notation.